Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Lacey. How are you? So in today's video we're kind of doing like a Valentine's pink kind of look. Not like we're doing anything on Valentine's Day, at least I know majority of us aren't doing anything, but I just thought, why not? You know, no one's going to see me anyway, I'm not leaving the house. You know what I mean? If you want to see this whole look kind of put into place, just keep on watching. I'm gonna go straight on in with my P. Louise base, and I'm just popping that on. Like, it's definitely been a while since I filmed a video and talked amongst it. I usually tend to just do voiceovers because honestly I get bored of hearing myself talk. I don't think I'm the most interesting person when it comes to having a conversation with themselves. Anyway, we're gonna go into the Be Perfect Carnival palette, the Love Tahiti one. So we're gonna do a bit of a Valentine's-y inspired look. Obviously, like, I'm not doing anything this Valentine's Day, are you? Let's be real, me and my boyfriend will probably watch a bit of WandaVision. That's about it. You know, this makeup is literally just for me, because I don't think anyone else is going to be seeing it. I feel like I want to do like a real cat eye cut crease. So that should be fun. Don't expect too much chatting from me. Okay, so I feel like I should go in with like maybe blackberry? Yeah, blackberry, which is this really deep purple, to do the outline and then blend out with pink. Hopefully it doesn't end up looking purple. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go in with blackberry and kind of map out what I'm doing. It's currently trying to snow, but it won't set on the floor, which is, I don't appreciate that, to be honest. Kind of like that shape. It's not a bad shape, right? Just gotta try and match the other eye to it. What are we thinking? Does that look even? No, let's go for it. So the next kind of brush I want to go for is something a little bit thicker, but not too much, just to blend that out into the second colour that we want. So the next colour that I want to be using is magenta. And to begin with, I might mix them two together first, just so it blends more seamless. There we go, mixed them together. Fuming. Stop snowing now. So I think the next colour I'm going to go in with is Pink Lily. And we're just going to start blending it out. Don't worry if it's looking a little bit crazy at the minute. I always go around a second time and just make sure things are like blended properly. For now, I'm not too worried about that. Oh, it's snowing again. Okay. I'm just going back in with blackberry and magenta to go over this line here. I still feel like I need to build up that purple, so I'm going back in with blackberry. I've been watching some really weird things on YouTube as well. Like not weird, but like weird for me. Because I've started watching this lady on YouTube. She's like an OBGYN. I'm a midwife basically. She watches those I didn't know I was pregnant things. I'm not gonna lie, I used to binge watch those when I was like 13. Don't know why. But yeah, I used to watch those a lot when I was younger. And she watches them on YouTube. So like I watch her like talk medically about those things. And like, by the way, not pregnant, not trying to get pregnant, not wanting to be pregnant at the minute, so like no. But like I don't know, it's just really interesting when she talks about medical stuff. Just trying to get educated while in lockdown, you know. Going in with magenta on its own. Going back in with Pink Lily. Right, it's so cold at the minute. It's literally like, what temperature is it? It's 2 degrees. And in the mornings it gets like -2.5, which I live in England, you know, and I'm not used to super cold weather. We usually get like rainy, grotty, horrible kind of weather. And you know, like I'm not a winter person unless it snows. Then I am a winter person. But honestly, I don't like how cold it gets just because I feel like, you know, you stay in the shower like 20 minutes longer just so you can stay warm. You put the heating on, that kind of extra couple degrees hotter. You know, that's a lot of money and stuff. And also I feel like when it's cold, I really don't like working out. I can work out in the heat up to a degree, and then when I work out in the winter, it's like I find it really hard to breathe. Like I feel like I'm like breathing in ice, and I'm an asthmatic as well, guys. Okay, so it literally feels like I'm not breathing in anything, which is obviously difficult when you are working out because you need to breathe. You need to breathe on a daily basis. And yeah, I just hate working out in the winter. Hate it. And it's like also I can't feel my toes when I work out at the minute, which is, you know, quite concerning because a lot of things I do on my feet. I think I'm going to go in with a bit of lilac, kind of matte mauve colour. See if I can use that to kind of buff the edges out. I'm kind of in the mood as well to have like a nice hot bubble bath. It just sounds so good right now. I might treat myself to one tomorrow. I just love watching. Right, picture this, right? You're in the bath, bubbles, hot water, like steaming hot water. Like you've got to have proper hot water, which is how I love to have my bath. And you know, just watching like makeup collection videos, that's literally like what I do in the bath. But yeah, I love watching makeup collection videos and you know, having my little bath. I feel like that's like a good amount of time to be in a bath before you go like all old and wrinkly. I'm gonna go back in with magenta and I'm mixing a bit of Pink Lily on a flat shader brush. Kind of go on that purple line a bit more. I think I'm onto the concealer bit now, I reckon. I think I want something shiny on the lid. I'm not too like, not too crazy. This is gonna take some proper concentration. What I want to get is like kind of like a skin toned matte colour. I'm going to tap this over that when I apply some glitter it doesn't crease. If you don't suffer from like creasy lids then I'm jealous. So I'm going to use my NYX glitter glue, and I'm using the glitter pigment in Luxe from Peaches and Cream. So there we go, I'm dabbing a bit of that glitter glue on the lid. And just getting some of that pigment. The pigment isn't like too crazy. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's just giving me like a hint of pink, like a nice kind of deep pink reflection. We'll see if that's where I want to leave that to when I finish the other eye, because I think once I finish the other eye I kind of get a bit more of an image of what this is going to look like. So what I'm going to do is go off and do the other eye off camera, and then I'll get back to you and make my mind up. Okay, we're back, and both eyes are somewhat looking the same. I kind of want to use this Moa Mitchell eyeliner in Mama. It's kind of like a pink holographic. Give it a little extra bit of colour. Right, I think I'm going to do a bit of like a line, just so the lashes have somewhere to call home. I'm going to use a bit of Blackberry, that purpley shade, and just kind of blend out the outer bits of that eyeliner. Alright, I guess. Let's coat some mascara. So I'm going to move on to the skin. So I'm going to go in my NYX Honey Do Me Up. So at the minute I've been liking this combination of the Laura Mercier Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation and the Ordinary Serum Foundation. Bit on double ends of the spectrum there. In terms of price, I guess. So I'm going to put dollop, 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 and dollop, 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 dollop. Right, so I'm going to go in with my brush. Going in with a Morphe E7 brush. Using the Fenty Beauty Cream Bronzer in a Butter Biscuit. Going in my Jouer Concealer in Snow. Then I'm going to go in my Huda Beauty powder in Sugar Cookie. Gonna go in my Hula Light from Benefit. ABH Contour Kit. Narcissist, excuse me, Narcissist blush thing. Benefit highlighter in Cookie. Now we need to finish the eyes. I might quickly set the face actually. So I just went and applied some lashes. These are the Doll Beauty lashes in Jasmine. I just thought they looked quite nice and fluttery. So right, now we need to finish the lower lash line. I'm going to start off with the Blackberry shade, the really deep purple, that one. I'm going to start off with that just so it ties in with the kind of corner bit there, the angle of it. But I don't think I'm going to bring it all the way in, to be honest. Yeah, I think I'm going to bring it about, what's that, like more than half, just over halfway of the lower lash line. And then I'm going to go in with magenta. Start buffing that in. Going in with my pink lily colour and just kind of making sure both wings kind of look the same when they go towards my temple. Going back in a lilac, that really dusty pink lilac-y colour. And I'm further bringing it out towards my temple. Gonna apply some lower lash mascara. And using my MAC Nylon corner and brow bone. I'm probably just gonna go and do my like go-to nude at the minute. So I'm gonna use my Peaches and Cream Borderline Lip Liner. I'm using ABH in Sand. Then I'm gonna go with Peaches and Cream Lip Gloss in Sisterhood. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this look. Leave a comment down below what you thought of the look. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it. That'd be nice. And also feel free and subscribe. That would be like having like the best ice cream ever on a really hot day. That'd be really, really good. Equivalent to that really. And also if you want to follow me on IG, my IG is Lacey.makeup. Feel free and give us a follow. And so yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.